Hi, this is a part 2 of a side scroll tutorial, and in this part we're gonna create elementary AI. So before we continue with that, let's see where we left off last time. If you click play, we can go to item and search it. However, that blue number, the search percentage, doesn't go to 0, and the red number score doesn't go to 100, so we're gonna fix that first. I mess up timeline. This key here should go to 0 and time should be 5. Let's get this guy a little bit out of the platform's way. Let's see how that works out now. Okay, so we go there, we search. If we are forced to move, the search is paused, then it continues. It goes to 0. We got 400 points for searching that item, so that works fine. We have a moving platform. So let's start with our AI. Before we do any movement, we need a nav mesh, and I'm gonna change this guy a little bit around. I'm gonna scale it this way and this way. And I'm gonna put nav mesh bounce volume in the game. That one goes up there automatically. I don't know why. Let's scale it. Okay, click on P to see actually what we have, where we have our nav mesh, and that is fine for now. So let's continue. We're gonna create blueprint class trigger box. We're gonna call it waypoint. And you're gonna have only one variable called index. Is gonna be public variable. Type is gonna be integer, and this index is gonna make it differentiate between different waypoints. And I'm just gonna duplicate this one, Control W, guard bot, we don't need this, we don't need this. We need an array of waypoints, and it's gonna be type waypoint reference, and we need some integer. Waypoint 1, that's gonna be public integer. Waypoint 2. So these two gonna hold indices to our waypoints between which we want our bot to move, and we need the target location. Which is gonna be vector. Okay, so let's start it. Begin play. What we're gonna do first is we're gonna go through all the get all actors of a class waypoint. So we're gonna go through all the waypoints in a game, and we're gonna select only two with indices waypoint 1 and waypoint 2. So we need okay, before we go there, let's go to the loop for each. This loop is gonna go through all the actors that we found. Okay, we're gonna need this, we're gonna need that, we're gonna need this index here, and we're gonna compare that index first with our waypoint 1, and if it's equal, we're gonna add this element to our array. Copy that. We're gonna do the same for waypoint 2, and we want it in case this is not waypoint 1. We need this here. Okay, we need to store this target location, and we're gonna store it to get actor location. We're gonna get our trigger box waypoint location, and we're gonna store this location here. And as soon as the game starts, we want to start moving our bot. So add custom event here. We're gonna call it move to point. We're gonna need a couple things there. We're gonna need target location. We're gonna need controller. And we're gonna do a simple move to location. This location, this is our controller. And we want that as soon as we are finished with the loop, we're gonna do that. Okay, before we do that, check everything seems to be fine. Let's put waypoint here. And that waypoint index we're going to leave at 0. We're going to duplicate it, and this one we're going to change index to 1. Okay, we're going to put our guard there, and we want it to move between location between waypoint 0 and 1. Okay. Let's see what happens. Okay, he's moving, but he's moving too fast. And to character movement, max walk speed, we're going to put it 150. We can change that later on in blueprints if we want him to run or something. We can change it. No, this is fine. Okay, so he's working kind of slow. He's going to be first level and then he stops. So we want him to change direction when he reaches the waypoint. So we're going to do that with function overlap begins. Begin overlap. And what we're going to do is we're going to go through all these waypoints and see if our actor that we overlapped with is one of those waypoints. So again, get, we're going to go for each loop, and we're going to compare this equal with this, and if it's equal we want to change direction, add custom event, change direction. Here we have branch, and if it's true we're going to do change direction. So basically we check for our waypoints array if we find that other actor we collided with is one of those waypoints, we're going to change direction. So how we're going to change direction? First we need our target location, and we're going to see if we collided with actor 1, with waypoint 1 or waypoint 2. So we're going to get our 0. I'm gonna get actor location, and we're gonna compare equal. We're gonna compare that with this tolerance is fine, and let's equal, we want to get control W, get 1, okay. Okay, so if this is equal, we want to store the other one's location, the set target location. Actually we need branch key. Okay, so if it's true, if this is equal to our first waypoint, we're going to set target location to our other target location, and if it's false, we're going to set target location to our first one, which is this one. Okay, and then we're gonna go with move to point, which is our new point here. So we're gonna go here, move to point. Okay, so let's see what we're gonna have here. Change direction, and we are checking if our target location is equal to our first one. If it is, we're gonna put target location in our second one, and if it's not, we're gonna get our second location. And okay, so that should work fine. Let's see what happens when we click play. Okay, so here's patrolling here until the end of the game, and let's add another one just to demonstrate this a little bit better. We're gonna put waypoint right there, and this is gonna be our index 2. Do like, okay, copy that one, index 3. We're gonna put another guard boat right there, and we're gonna make him patrol between 2 and 3. And there we go. We have 2 boats patrolling, and right now they're not doing anything. If we collide with them, nothing happens. In the part 3, we're gonna customize this a little bit more. We're gonna add maybe some kind of a life percentage, so every time you collide it's gonna take some of your life. We're gonna change these guys into something else, the bots, and we're gonna put a few platforms and a few searchable items. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.